I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss.
Good morning. It ain't very bright and it ain't very good. Yes, it is good. I'm alive. The grass is gonna grow from the rain. It's good morning. Now, my delicate self doesn't want to get out in the rain. I can tell you that much. But it's all right. It's rain, and I'm sure the grass or something needs it. So it's all right. I don't think we've had a lot of rain recently. It's we had a whole bunch for a while, then we had none. I noticed this morning. I noticed last night when I was laying in bed a bunch of extra drainage, and I noticed I woke up coughing a lot last night. I'm not sure. So anyway, I knew, you know me, the weather's changing. Fall, oh man. I used to lose my voice every fall. So, ooh, that's even close. Y'all really heard of that, didn't you? Sorry. But anyway, yep, it's storming. But Alexa said it's supposed to stop by, I think, 8:30 or 9. So I didn't drug Callie. My girl, you just go lay in your area for the next couple hours. You'll be all right. It's 6:51, and I got to go because I got to hurry and be at work because I got an hour and 9 minutes to get there. I live 7 minutes away, but that's all right. I got to hurry. Anyway, when I get ready fast, I just leave. If I get ready slow, I leave when I'm done. All right, love y'all. Bye. Hey, I got you on. Okay. Hey, how you doing? I had to see if you were on. Anyway, all that rain has gotten better. Look what I do. I had to open up a cartridge for my circle, and I had one at work. And so I tore the lid off so that way I remember to bring another one to work in case it runs out while I'm at work. So I brought it for my snack today, and I'm just monitoring the scale. Bag of carrots. I have 3 stalks of celery and 4 slices of rutabaga. So that'll be later on this afternoon. Oh, and don't worry, I definitely brought my my frozen gelatin, baby. Hang on, let's get this today. This is the last one. And do I think they're worth the extra calories? No. But this is 40 calories, and no way. Holy shnikes. Wait, I can't tell if it says 1.3 or 13. Well, oh my. It's 13 carbs. I'm going to taste it and then we're going to trash it. Tastes good, but not worth 13 carbs. So, I'm going to keep it because, for the moment, in case I get choked, that's the only beverage I brought outside. And so if I get choked, I might need a bite of something. So this looks like it might, I don't know if this was a burger, patty. No, I think it's just like some burger that I didn't chop up that good. So I told you all how I make these, and just a fresh reminder. So this is ground beef and frozen veggies. Okay. So over the weekend, I cooked up a couple pounds of ground beef, and I divided out 1/3 pound into the 6 of these, because if it was 2, then that would be 2, 4, 6. So anyway, I divided 3/6. So shut up, y'all know I have math issues. So anyway, I put the meat in first, and then I opened up 6 bags of veggies. And then I put a little bit in each one. So like one of them was an Asian blend. One of them was potato and something. Another one was carrots. And broccoli. So it's like a variety. So every day, it's just like a little different of a blend. And then I pop it all in the freezer. Because the veggies, they don't need to defrost, while it's waiting on me to use. So I popped them in the freezer, except I keep like 2 or 3 days out in the refrigerator, like defrosting. So this one has been out, what's today? Wednesday. So this has been out of the freezer since Monday. Because them frozen veggies, they don't need to stay frozen. You know what I mean? So if you like so for those, as far as changing it up, if you want something a little different, you can dump all of Asian blend in one, onion peppers in one, broccoli in one. So it's really different each day. You have a different blend every day. And you could change up your meat however you wanted to. You could buy you some ground chicken, some turkey, some, I don't know, whatever meat you like. And then, like I said, I buy the ones that are not sauced. I buy only the seasoned ones or the no seasoning. And that's the vegetables I use. It's funny, I can still see the floaters. Seems like they're getting a little narrower, but I keep thinking there's bugs flying around my food. Because the floaters are black and there's like little streaks and spots. Anyway, so then, you just add whatever flavoring you want to it. And if you want to sauce, you can add whatever sauce you like or no sauce. Like this, you can put some Alfredo in there. Ooh, marinara. Oh, I need to pull that out. That would be good. Some watered down marinara or watered down Alfredo. So you can change things based on however you season and sauce it. Today's Wednesday. Oh, it's your Friday. Happy Friday. I hope you have an enjoyable weekend. Even if you have to work, I hope it's enjoyable. And believe you me, I know work comes in all different types of ways. Maybe you're a caregiver for a family member. Maybe raising your kids at home. Maybe you're doing out of the home work and in the home work. That's me. My out of the home work is this, but my in the home work is my dogs. So it tastes okay, but I think the Zavvy one tastes better. Like I said, I just wanted to try them. I did not realize they had that much sugar in them. Now I feel like a moron because I don't know if the other one had it too. Well, that's kind of dumb. Store anywhere. Chill to enjoy it. Maybe, wait a minute. No, it just says 5 grams of sugar, so I bet you that total carbs is 1 point. It's hard to see. Look. Hopefully you can see. You can't, it's like all blurry. I keep wiping it off, but added sugars is 1. 5 total sugars. So maybe dietary fiber is 6. 0 protein. I don't know. It don't matter. Like I said, I ain't gonna finish it off. It's not so bad that I want to gag, but if it is 13, I don't need it. So what you got playing this weekend? I like hearing y'all's plans. Judy is not going to be home for the next couple Sundays. She's got plans, so I won't be hanging out with her. She's got some friends doing stuff, so she's going to do stuff with them the next 2 weekends, 2 Sundays. But my Saturday's always the same. I'll have to do creamies. Well, I have to do laundry, creamies, make my gelatins, make up more of these, make up some salads. I think that's it, but I don't know. No Walmart this weekend. I go every payday, and that's every other week. So yeah, that's my weekend. And kids, I think I have kids' church Sunday. You know what? They were asking for somebody help out in Marble Hill, and I wonder if I do have it or not. I was scheduled every weekend during the summer because so many people were out on family stuff, but technically I'm every other week or whatever the rotation is. So I not need to look at that. Okay, it says August 30th and today's the 26th. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yep. So I am working this Sunday, or yeah, working in the kids' church. Volunteering. I tell you, turned out to be a beautiful day, but I'm colder than Cooter Brown inside. Man, I'm drinking coffee and I had to turn my heater on. Ain't nobody got time to be cold. Not in dadgum August. We ain't got time to be cold in August. Our local state fair comes in September, and usually I have to go to a work meeting out of town. I don't think we're going this year, so I'm pretty excited. I'll see if my friends, sometimes we go and do we'll watch the demolition derby, but we used to. I don't know what she does anymore because I haven't been able to go in this few years. Demolition derby, and then the truck, not monster truck, something else. Demolition derby, tractor pull. We used to go to those too, so I'll have to see if that's what we're going to do this year, or her husband may go with her. Anyway, so now that I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'll take this inside with hot water, rinse it off real good, and then add some soap and shake it up. And then it's rinsed off. So when I get home, I just have to open it and stick it in the dishwasher. Brains, man. You remember when Droopy used to say that? Brains, man. Real brains. All right, the other song I have in my head today is So Let the Sun Shine In. Face it with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in. All right, bye.
Sorry. She said, did you see the demo for the update for Witcher 3? I'm like, no. So she sent it to me. I'm super excited. And then it's funny, one of my coworkers, I guess he games a little bit, and he sent me the link to watch the upgrade. So evidently the company that makes the game that we like, they're doing an upgrade, and it's going to be free for anybody who already has the game. But the game is called Witcher 3. And yeah, but I'm so sad. It doesn't come out. The upgrade, it's not, I don't know if there's much new content or not, because it's not a downloadable content, it's just an upgrade. So I don't know, like, if there's
it says that there's some new content, but I don't really know how that works. But anyway, so September 29th, y'all gonna see less of me. Because I'm excited to see the graphic that they're improving, but sometime next year they are putting out. Oh dang it! They call it a DLC for short. Can't flab it. I keep missing my bowl. They call it DLC for short, for downloadable content. Basically, it's an expansion to a game. So there's an expansion, and this game came out in 2015. So this game is 11 years old, and people are still dedicated to this game. But anyway, so in 2026, they're gonna release a DLC. So basically, like I said, it's like a side quest, an extra world to the game that's already there, and like an extra map or whatever with more quests. And then in 2028, they'll be releasing Witcher 4. So anyway, that's my understanding of it anyway. So what do we have here? A big old hodgepodge. It is my cabbage with some rutabaga, some pepper, some onions, some chicken. This I bought some of the rotisserie chicken that was like Southwestern flavored, so that's what determines whether I eat it as a Southwestern bowl or as a regular salad. I've got guacamole, salsa, yogurt, and some salad dressing, just whatever salad dressing I had made up in there, because that just gives it like an extra little layer. So, oh yeah, I forgot I also have broccoli slaw in here. One more bite, and then I'll stop. Hang on, it's just so good. Eat that. Chocolate toffee. That's my flavor tonight. Told my goddaughter I don't want to go forward with a bunch more quests in the game because I want to see them with the new graphics, but I want to start over from the very beginning in a month when it comes out. So what my plan is, the world of the game, it has a whole bunch of their question marks, and so it's it's like unknown things that you go and get treasure from. So I think I'm going to focus on that for the next 4 weeks. I don't play it every day, but I'll focus on that until the next one comes out, or the upgrade comes out. Then I could see it in a whole new world. So, all right, I love you, weirdos.